Meet Major Tom, a Phantom 4 Pro drone that helps us take photos, videos, and make 3D models of important historic sites across Virginia. We got Major Tom in 2017, and he's been my sidekick in the field ever since. Together, we document archaeological sites, landscapes, sunken ships, and historic buildings. A lot of the places we document are going through changes, including excavations, historic restorations, and in some cases, even demolition. Needless to say, Major Tom has done some incredible work over the past 4 years. But after countless hours of service, this old drone is ready to retire. Recently, Major Tom has developed some mechanical issues, and he can no longer keep up with our current workload. In other words, he needs an assistant. That's where you come in. We are asking for your help to purchase a new drone with improved photo, flight, and safety features, which will allow us to not only continue the important work we do using this technology, but it'll help us improve the 3D models, maps, and photographs that we make. Don't worry, Major Tom will still be around, but having another drone will significantly decrease the stress we put on him and on ourselves when he needs repairs. So donate today by clicking on our fundraiser link and help keep Fairfield flying.